Today we are working on the seat cover of our 1984 ATC 110 three-wheeler. In the previous videos, I replaced the head on it and turned it into a ski wheeler with a ski on the front. So first, you're going to want to start off by taking it off your fenders, flipping it over. This one has the metal seat pan. And you'll have all these little tabs all along there that you need to pop out with a flat screwdriver and possibly a small hammer, which so far I'm not needing. And make sure when you're popping them up that you're careful if they're rusted, so then they don't break off. So we've got all the little, whatever, like the little teeth out of the old cover and tend to peel off. Looks like the foam's still in decent shape. A couple of little tears here and there, but it's from 1984, so you can't really expect it to be perfect. I'm putting some Gorilla Tape along the edging to hold it on, so then the sharp metal edges won't show and then rip our brand new seat cover. The places that didn't want to stay, I put a whole line of every one, but then where they are staying, I'm just putting every other one. Then we'll trim it off from around the teeth. So now we're taking a trash bag because the instructions say to put some kind of plastic around the foam to help as like a moisture barrier. And we're cutting it to fit the seat. And then just take it and tuck it underneath of the foam on the edges. So I just took the seat cover out of the dryer, which will get all like your wrinkles out of it from being in the package, and then also it'll make it warm so then it'll stretch easier. So now we're going to start putting it on. You start with the front and then do the back, center, front center, then back center, then you work on the sides. So when you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure all your tabs are bent pretty much well straight out, so then it'll grab your cover nicely. Because if like they're bent down like this one right here, or that one, like them two, you'll have to kind of pull it under. And we've had that problem with a couple of them, so make sure that they're all bent out nice and straight when you're flipping them on. So what we've done is we're about 3/4 of the way done. We used a hair dryer to help us stretch it better. We still have this along here to do, and then the corners, which then are going to be fun. So, but you're going to want to make sure that that's clipped under there nice and good before you hit it down with a hammer, which that's what we've done for all of these, to make sure that they're set really good, because we don't want it pulling off once we get it in there. We don't want it to pull off and then rip it and have something else happen. So that's what we've gotten so far. So stay tuned for the finished product. Well, here it is, the finished product. There are a couple of little problems that we made. There's a little hole right there, and there's a rip over here where it ripped when we were putting it on because we pulled it way too tight, and well, it just ripped. So be careful when you're doing it not to pull it too tight on the corners or the sides, because it will rip. But anyway, here it is. It's a lot better than before. So thank you for watching how to recover a ATC 110 seat, and I hope this helped you.